Hello everyone. Today I'm reviewing the Nature's Bakery Fig Bar Raspberry. Oh yeah. Blueberry one's good. I'm gonna try the raspberry one. I really like raspberries. They're really good. So anyways, yeah, it's non-GMO, plant-based, 200 calories per pack. Yeah. Yeah. So anyways, let's open it up. Yeah. It's like a big Newton, you know. These are really good. These are like the organic kind of. That's good. Yeah. Good if you're hiking, you know. Going outdoors. Good way to go, you know. Yeah, this is good. Oh yeah. Good. Yeah. All kinds of snacks you can pack. You can pack sardines. You can pack the Nature's Eatery fig bars. You can pack just all kinds of things, you know. And those like little venison sticks. Oh man, you can pack all kinds of stuff, all kinds of cool stuff, you know. So yeah, it's like, you know, all kinds of stuff, and you can just pack it and you're good to go. Anyways, yeah. Um yeah. Anyways, I guess request what I should review next, you know, what I should do for a review in the future. And yeah, I guess see you guys later. Have a good day, a nice day. Anyways, yeah. Nature's Bakery Fig Bar Raspberry. Check it out.